Hey guys, Dexter with Essential Pressure Washing. We are in Clermont, Florida. I live in Mineola, Clermont area, so this is home. This is home for me. But we do travel out an hour out for jobs, so be on the lookout for videos from all over the place. Here's what we have. 3-car driveway on a slope, so you know that water's going to collect down to that bottom. So we will, once we do the sidewalk, we'll go down there and take care of that bottom area first. Just for any water that's coming down, we'll already have that clean and we'll just be able to move the dirty water off. The homeowner did the sidewalk to his property end, which is the green little small pole down there, with a surface cleaner yesterday, and figured out that he didn't want to do this job because it takes a lot of work. So he called us. Okay, we're gonna do the sidewalk. Going to this green little box, power box, a cable box, right there. Sidewalk, you can see we already have tanning stains, so we know that we're gonna have to pump spray this with a pump up sprayer with a 6 or 7% mix to clean up all our tanning stains. We're gonna pre-treat. We are gonna pre-treat with 1% sodium hypochlorite. Yeah, that's a pre-treatment. Of course, we know it's gonna be lines, there's gonna be tanning stains and that stuff, but that's why we're gonna, once we rinse it off, we will come back through with the pump sprayer and we're gonna be spraying lava because this is tanning stains here. So we're gonna get all of that cleaned up. We'll get all this cleaned up. Stay tuned for a little bit of applying chem.
Okay guys, here we are with the Mini Mundu 31-inch surface cleaner. We have that paired with a 10-gallon per minute pressure washer. We're going to make easy work of this dirty sidewalk and large driveway As you can see, the mix has did a good job, but we are going to go behind ourselves once we get done with the surface cleaning and rinsing. We are going to put down a treatment with the pump-up sprayer using a 6-7% mix to go at these tanning stains that we have on this concrete. Okay, these are simple driveways. They're large, but they're simple. When you have the techniques down for driveway cleaning and sidewalks cleaning, this is easy money to get. Okay, guys, stay tuned for some more cleaning action. Okay, guys, we're nearly finished here. This driveway, I'll tell you right now, I got $275 for doing it. I know you guys probably get more. That's what I took for doing this driveway, and it took me about 50 minutes, real time.
Okay, guys, here we are. Finished product. This is a big driveway, but on a hill. So whenever you have a big driveway on a hill, it's going to be a little more difficult because the water's going to puddle. But of course, we used the J-Rod with the shooter tip and knocked it out of there. Like Don from Super Blast. Picked that up from him. Thanks, Don. Here we are, the finished product. Still wet. Sidewalks here. Tanning stains are leaving. There are still a few down there, but we have a post treatment of a 7% down on it, so they will dissipate. So we have the long sidewalk. I did the other side of the sidewalk also that the homeowner did yesterday. I went over it. It was clean, but I went over it anyway, rinsed it, and we got out there on the street gutters. It's a lot of sand out there. I couldn't get it all out the way, but street gutters are done. Then this is the showstopper right here. And make my adjustment with my camera. The big 3-car driveway, that where I told you we were going to puddle at, all of that was a lake, but we shot it down that way. And then the grass, from the saturation of the water, the grass, you're going to get some residual run back. That's what that is. Nothing major. Up here, the walkway has been post treated. It is still wet as we speak, but it is drying up. Went ahead and we just rinsed that off right there as well to unify everything. So we have a nice bright product which is post treated, which is drying up right now, all done up. There's the old rig right there. We have an estimate to go and do. Really didn't feel like doing it because we're commercial. This is Wednesday, and what is this, June the 11th? So every Tuesday and Wednesday we're out doing our commercial stuff. So I've been up since 4 a.m. this morning, but I'm gonna go down and give an estimate on a fence cleaning. And then we got a stack deck for tomorrow and Friday. See, can we get you some more footage tomorrow. Stay blessed.